All right, we're working for you tonight with the folks from GBMC. If you're stressed and anxious about this whole COVID-19, imagine what it's like for your kids. Dr. Timothy Doran here, chair of the Department of Pediatrics at GBMC. Thanks so much for coming in.
You're welcome.
Nice to be here. This is so stressful. I mean, as an adult, I can't imagine what it is like for our kids at home and now out of school for another 4 weeks.
Right. Yeah, no, it is very stressful. It's something that we as parents, we recommend that they basically listen to their children. I mean, we want to take what we do with children based on what they're telling us, and to be calm and to be reassuring. The good news, in some sense, is that children are very rarely affected by this virus.
So how do you bring up the conversation? Because, you know, especially with smartphones and everything, they probably know sometimes more than we actually think they do.
Yeah, well, I mean, it depends on the age. So clearly it's a lot easier with an adolescent who you can listen to and really walk through the issues involved. With younger children and preschoolers, then it becomes much more difficult because they can manifest anxiety in different ways and stress in different ways, and they pick it up from the parents. They know now that the parents are stressed. They may have job insecurity, they may have lost their job. Those things will be very powerful to them, and those are where we need them to be loving and caring and supportive of them.
I want to let you know while we're talking with Doctor here, we have experts next door in the studio, and the number to call is 410-671-072. They're taking your calls, so feel free to call in. Doctor, a lot of kids are anxious about this because it's on the news so much and they're hearing so much, and again, picking up vibes from the parents. How should you handle those types of situations?
So again, one of the things is to limit what their exposure is. I mean, that's an important thing that we can do. With parents being home with their children, clearly they can engage with them, they can divert them as well by playing interactive games, by doing things with them that they wouldn't normally do in their course of their usual work days. So it's helpful for them to be involved. Reassurance, I mean, it's just really that can't be done enough, and to tell them that it's going to be okay.
Okay, Dr. Doran, one of our many fine experts who's with us in the studio. We will be back with other experts from GBMC, but again, the phone number to call, they're all right next door in the studio taking your calls. It is 410-671-0702. Please give them a call and get all of your questions answered for you as well as for your children.